TD Bank asked 500 business owners what they liked least about running their business, and the vast majority agreed: bookkeeping, the shadowy back end of business. Bookkeeping mistakes and outright avoidance can cost your business money. Let's shine some light on it. Armed with software, know-how, and a better understanding of the most common mistakes, we can help you keep your business organized and solvent. While you're definitely going to want to know what the most common bookkeeping mistakes are, let's first take a look at the 3 main reasons business owners don't like bookkeeping. We all know bookkeeping needs to be done, but business owners are avoiding it like the plague. Why? First, it's a lack of know-how. This one is simple. Bookkeeping needs to be done, but you have no clue how to do it. The second reason can be tricky, and that's procrastination. You put the bookkeeping off and off until it seems insurmountable. Unfortunately, this can lead to all kinds of sticky situations, like late payment fees and overdrawn funds. And finally, business owners avoid bookkeeping because of its low return on investment. Bookkeeping doesn't directly grow your bottom line, so it doesn't capture your attention. But keep in mind, bookkeeping can lower costs by helping you more closely manage your budget and avoid added expenses. So what's the bottom line? The bottom line is bookkeeping needs to get done. So how do you overcome that pesky resistance? The first step to overcoming that avoidance that can leave your business finances in chaos is to get some training on how to set up your bookkeeping. Training can be done in a variety of ways, such as books or online tutorials, and the good news is, it really doesn't take that long. As you look into online training options, you will likely begin to consider working with accounting software to do your bookkeeping. However, if learning about bookkeeping is just not your thing, you'll be happy to know there are other options. One is to delegate bookkeeping to an employee. If that's not possible, you can also outsource your bookkeeping work. Many business owners wonder whether they should work with an accountant or work on their own accounting software. We'll get into the pros and cons of each in a moment, but first, you'll want to hear the 5 bookkeeping mistakes every business owner needs to avoid. These will cost you money, so listen up, entrepreneurs. First, a disorganized workflow. Would you want to cook dinner in a kitchen filled with smoke and dirty dishes? Ew. To see your business clearly, you need to keep your books clean and organized so that you have financial clarity. Next, a lack of accounting savvy. Today's accounting software offers some amazing features, but unfortunately, you do have to actually learn how to use them. Thankfully, there are some awesome intuitive options out there, like FreshBooks and Xero. You can see our reviews on those by clicking on the link below. Now pay attention, because this next one is critical. Avoid mixed personal and business accounts. Yes, solopreneurs, we mean you, because mixing your accounts isn't going to be fun come tax time and business emergencies. Another prevalent problem is data entry blunders. The good news is that having software that syncs to your accounts can greatly reduce this. And last, not outsourcing when you should. If managing the accounting software is too difficult or your time selling is too precious, just hire a professional already. Speaking of which, many of you are trying to decide between purchasing an accounting software or hiring an accountant. Let's quickly look at the advantages and disadvantages of each. First up in the showdown is accounting software. It has automation, so once you set it up, it will sync automatically. It is mobile and collaborative, so even on the go, you can access it and connect with your team. And it's affordable, which cash-strapped startups need. But there are a few downsides. There's a learning curve. You have to learn the software, which depending on how tech-savvy you are, might not be appealing. Another big concern is security. Data breaches do happen. And finally, upgrades and add-ons can drive up costs. So does that mean you should hire an accountant? That depends. An accountant provides one-on-one professional advice. They can help you understand your business goals and advise you on how to reach them. And they can warn you about potential problems ahead. They're also already in place when tax season arrives. But while there are clear advantages to hiring an accountant, the primary issue business owners have is cost. Because you'll be receiving personalized service from a professional, the cost is higher. Also, humans can make errors, so it's important to not solely rely on your accountant and to make sure you're also regularly checking your books. Whatever choice you make for your startup, the most important thing you can do is take the necessary steps to feel confident that you're running your business the best way you can. Thanks for watching, and please take a moment to like and subscribe for more really useful information for your business. Click on the link below for provider reviews and plan options.